Hello and welcome to my Sunday from today. I have a few packages to open. So I'm going to open this one because it's already opening. So I have here, it looks like a watch. And then I have my dish soap, which kind of spilled a little bit. So I'll put that to the side. And then we'll see what else is in here. So just to check this out, it's just a little tiny bracelet watch, and I love bracelet watches, but this one has a little charm of a heart, and I love hearts and butterflies and stuff, but this one is gold, and it was really inexpensive, like under $5, and it comes with some tools to take care of it and maintain it. And then I got this car scents called Tangle Sheets by Chemical Guys. And I like Chemical Guys. I used to watch their videos a lot. In this one, I have these toilet scrubbers. I needed refills really bad. So hopefully these are the ones that I use. Yeah, they look like the ones that I use. And then I got cranberry extract, which helps with the urinary tract. It helps to urinate. So I got this in, and this is I don't think this is for me, so I'll just open it to show you guys. Oh, it is for me. It's like the necklace that I already have, but a square. And I'll go ahead and show you it. It's literally just a diamond. And this was $3.99. In this bag, I'm not too sure what's in here. So in here, I have a shower curtain liner, and I had originally bought a shower curtain, and this is a green shower curtain liner, and I thought this was a pretty color, so I went ahead and picked it up. And I had bought the fabric on accident shower curtain to replace the one that I had used already. And this is 12-pack of underwear I got for like $6, and hopefully they're my size, so they look like they would fit. I also got Kotex, just a restock of Kotex. So in this one, I'll just open it up. And this one I got a man's gold bracelet. This is a gift, and I have in here I think one more package, so I'll go ahead and open this. And in here I have a roll of paper towel, and then I have also eye and cheek palette. So this is like a makeup palette for highlighter, I think, and this was $4, $3.99. So I got a sample of Twilly by Hermes, and it was like $8. And then in this box, let's see what's in here. So in here, I have a Yankee candle, sage and citrus. I use this a lot in my home because I'm not particular of how they're marketed or whatever. I think mostly the scent is what lures me, and how easy it is to be used even in a bigger space. But I hope you like my haul. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. My son different. Bye bye.